Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log out Facebook from all devices. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the Facebook app, and at the top right corner you can see a three-line icon right with your profile picture icon. Simply tap on that, and there is a gear icon right at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that and scroll down, and you can see an option called see more in account center. Simply tap on see more in account center, then scroll down and you can see an option called password and security. Simply tap on password and security. Now what you have to do is tap on the where you're logged in under security checks. Now select the profile that you want to log out, either your Facebook profile or your Instagram profile. I will simply tap on the Facebook one. Now all you have to do is scroll at the last and you can see an option called select devices to log out. Simply tap on that and it will show you all the devices that you have logged in your Facebook. Select it and tap on logout and it will show you something like this. Are you sure you will no longer be logged in on the selected devices? Then tap on logout and your work is done. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.